Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's session is a knowledge sharing session on Dynamo script brought to you by the Beam AC Studio. Alright, so today content will start from the initial information for creating a tender model to the very end of part 3, assigning various family type. Alright, so in the content number 1, essential information for creating a tender model, and the content number 2 is an overview of parametric family for tender rings, and content 3 is explaining the preparation step and requirement for Dynamo script development, and content number 4 is fundamental concept for modeling tender along the alignment, and content number 5 start the part 1, generating tender with Dynamo using Excel or CSV data, and content number 6 is a part 2, adding ring number with Dynamo using Excel or CSV data. And then the last content number 7 is a part 3, assigning various family type with Dynamo using Excel or CSV data. Alright, content number 1, essential information for creating a tender model. So first of all, we need to obtain the approved or latest tender alignment XYZ coordinate point data from the tender area, and after that, collect data on the key position of tender segment from the tender team, and then create a parametric family for the tender ring, ensuring it includes every single segment with a dimple as per the design convention drawing. And the next step, create a shared parameter according to the project code, example custom test underscore BIMAC, and then set the Revit model default project base point value XYZ to 0 to facilitate smooth operation of the Dynamo script. So once after completed all these steps, you can begin creating the Dynamo script on the Dynamo platform. Alright, so for the overview of parametric family for tender rings. So now I will play a video that is showing the parametric family of tender rings. Start from the key 1 to key 8, then key number 22 to the key number 28. So we need to create a parametric family based on the design confirmed drawing. So before I'm not starting any hands-on session with the Revit software, so here's are the preparation steps and requirement for Dynamo script development. So item number 1, once after you receive XYZ coordinate value with Excel or CSV format, so you can move to the next step. Item number 2, you can create a new parameter or open your current structure project to create tender ring structure model. So the next step is the item number 3, and after you have created the parametric tender ring family, you need to load that family into the project. So in this slide, please kindly note CSV is our CSV UTF-8, comma delimited .csv format. Alright, so for item number 4, once after you already loaded your parametric family into the project, you need to create a custom shared parameter. So here I'm using custom test underscore BIMAC, or you can use your preference name based on your project code into the project. So in the shared parameter, so you need to create a group before you start create a new parameter. After you create a new group, then you can create a new parameter. So in the parameter properties, please kindly note the discipline should be a comment, and then the type of parameter must be a test. Alright, so after you create a shared parameter, so you need to add this parameter into your project as a project parameter. And after you have completed all these steps, then you can open Dynamo platform from Revit. So right now I'm going to start a handover session with Revit. So right now I just open new model with the structural template. Then I also open parametric family that I have curated. So I'm going to load this family into the project. Alright, so right now I cannot see yet my parametric family, but my family is using such a framing category. So I will go to the level 1, and after that I will draw my family using the beam. My tunnel width segment is 2 meter, exactly 2 meter. Alright, then I will check the family in the 3D view. Alright, so right now I already loaded the parametric family into the project. So I will go to the level 1 again. So right now I will check for the project base point value. So go to the visibility graphics, then go to the site, and after that click on the expand, then click turn on the project base point. So right now the project base point value is 0 for everything, so that is good enough. Okay, so the next step, I need to create a new custom shape parameter. So I will go to the manage, then click on the shape parameter, then I will create a group. I will give a name of Beam AC Studio. Then I will create a new parameter. So this parameter I will use in custom test Beam AC. So here the discipline is common, and then the type of parameter I will click on the test, then click OK, click OK. So once after we have created a shape parameter, we need to create project parameter. So just click on the add, then click on the shape parameter and select, then choose the right group and click on the right parameter and custom test BIM AC. Alright, so right now I will check all, then hit OK, then hit OK. Alright, so right now when you click on it on the parametric family, then in the properties palette, enter the test, you will see the custom test BIM AC. Alright, so now we can move to the Dynamo to create a Dynamo script.